How to fix the driver can't release to failure GIGABYTE error on Windows. 1. Turn off the following settings in GIGABYTE App Center Utility, Cloud Service Station, Remote OC, and GIGABYTE Remote. 2. Download the latest GIGABYTE App Center update at http://www.gigabyte.sg/microsite/369/images/app-center.html or https://www.gigabyte.com/support/utility. 3. Reinstall GIGABYTE using command prompt. Run these commands as admin: sc delete gdrb, sc create gdrb binpath equals c:\windows\gdrb.sys. Type equals kernel display name equals plan b, sc create gdrb binpath equals c windows group.sys. Type equals kernel display name equals gdrb and return to reinstall the services. 4. Uninstall the GIGABYTE app using the recommended uninstall tool pro in this video guide.